8/22/2020. Gold bugs. NUGT Gold ETF. Yeah, always has a great move. $7.13. The high was 95.89, and the low was 91.81 on Friday, and we close out at 93.50 on 3.5 9 million shares, down 5.44, 5.50%. So here's the good news. And once again, via live alert service, that is what you have to remember, and that is what you need to do. And here's the reasons why. Via live alert service, gold bugs pile on again with us. We hit that top and we went short. Oh yeah, we did. At 109. And that was on 8/18 when we said the NUGT was what? It ran too far too fast. And it was due for a pullback. There's been selling here. We get a gap down. We test the green line on the daily, which is, believe it or not, a very crucial moving average. And it is. It's called the 150-day simple moving average on the low of that wick. And we've tested it. We're below the 10. Up here is the moving average, the 20-day simple that broke down. Now, in this patch, which has had remarkable turns, and we trade NUGG, we trade that JNUG, and we also trade the XAU index as well, along with some of the bigger movers like Royal Gold and FNV. We had profit taking and a lot of selling that has happened. And for you gold bugs, get on our what? Alert system via live trading room. Yes, it'll be just like you are watching the video, except you'll be with me live and we'll be going through the entries that I give out. Yeah, you heard it. Anyway, one thing I will say on that MACD is we're only minus 1.56. Now, the previous day, we were minus 1.459. But the previous day before that, we were minus 1.7. But we were really down here as the divergences were playing out with the highs and then the reversals as we see here. With the 150-day simple moving average, that is the major support level right now. And as long as we close above it, we could dip below it and close above it via live alert service, live trading room. You're going to get it that way. You're going to get it then, there, now, just like I'm doing it here and now. So here's what we have working for us. There is another moving average down here, a 50-day. If we were to break below that 150-day moving average, then we would short. Or as long as we hold that support with that big 4-day pullback and we're working that overbought level off and we're setting up at that crucial daily, we're ready. Oh yeah, we are. Not only that, when we take a look at it on a monthly level, yes, we have a declining 10-month moving average that was way back over here on February 3rd, 2020, 214 on the high. Oh yeah, I remember. These high reversals are always viable. That 10-month moving average, though, is declining. There is no problems with the fact that the monthly setup is going to be half of the bar value of the previous month to hold support. That's number one. Number two, what we will be looking for is the weekly movement. There is a 10-week moving average right below here. And if we hit that 10-week moving average, then we're going to go in. Now, You could see where the weekly reversal was when we bought put options and it traded down and we got out on the previous week's low when we hit that 10-week moving average, that rising yellow line. It hit it, it held support as it did. It was also part of an ascending weekly breakout to all-time, short-term all-time highs, and then the pullback reversals that we see here. Yeah, it's broken down on the 150-week and a 50-week moving average below it here. It never did regain it. It sold into it, and it did because it got overbought. And it's looking really super good. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set an alert right there. I want right above that 10-week moving average. That is what we're going to use as our support level, and I'm going to activate it. To all the gold bugs out there, yeah, we're here to power you. And not only that, be a live trading alert. Or you want the training to be an excellent option trader, making the big returns, pulling back, testing the moving averages, setting the alerts below it. We know what that 10-week moving average would be, a dip below the 150-day simple moving average. But we're looking where we bottom out on that daily sell signal. And what? We move up. Go ahead, be alive, alert, NUGT, gold bugs, gold ETF, gold nuggets.